This strategy is pretty simple. All you need is to upload a file and let it make you money online while you sleep. As usual, I will share with you the entire strategy step by step, so make sure to watch till the end to learn everything you need about it. The very first website we are going to use to make money online is Free PLR Downloads. This is a website where you can download ebooks for absolutely free. You can find books in different niches. But no worries, you don't have to make an ebook or resell it. This strategy is completely free and you don't have to invest any money. Well, I want you to look for a book in a niche you are interested in. Let's look for books in the Make Money Online niche, for example. You just need to type in the search box, or just choose from the categories available here. Once you find an interesting ebook, simply scroll down and click on Download. You will be able to download it immediately for absolutely free. The document you will get will be in PDF format. We need to convert it to Word to use it afterward. You can use websites such as ilovepdf.com. I will leave all the links in the description box. Well, simply select the ebook in PDF and download it once it's converted to Word format. Now I want you to go to the second website, which is Digistore24, which is an affiliate marketplace for digital products. You will get paid whenever someone you refer to makes a purchase. You can use other websites such as ClickBank, but I am using Digistore24 as it's available to everyone no matter where they come from. Now, I want you to search for a product to promote here. There are two things you want to look out for. First is popularity, which is shown right here. Then, how much it pays and the commission, which is found right over here. You don't want to pick products that are very popular but won't pay you well enough. But you also don't want products that pay very nicely but aren't popular. Well, let's choose this one for example. This offers 50% commission, and on average we will make around $200 per sale, which is, when you think about it, quite a lot. If you get 100 people to buy this, that's already $20,000 made. And I will show you a traffic source where you'll be able to easily find hundreds of thousands of people who are interested in your niche. So make sure you keep watching. Anyhow, what you guys need to do when you find a good product to promote is click on Promote. Now you just need to copy the link. Now you can return to the ebook file we downloaded earlier and paste your affiliate link here and say something like, "Make money on YouTube using this course," and attach your affiliate link. And if possible, it's better to read through the ebook and add in your affiliate link between the lines in a natural way. Once done, just save the Word document and return it to the same website and convert the file back to PDF. Once done, you will have an ebook file with your affiliate link. Now I want you to head over to the last website you will be using today. It's called freeebooks.net. As the name suggests on this site, you can find a lot of free ebooks that you can download and read for absolutely free. The best part about this site, and also the reason we want to use it in particular, is the fact that according to SimilarWeb, this website gets more than 1 million visits per month, as you can see, which is just insane. This means that once your ebook is published here, there are high chances that people can find it and download it. So this has enormous potential to earn you a lot of money in a passive mode. Try to publish as many books as possible to increase your chances of making money using this strategy. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and make sure to check out the other money-making strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.